Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are okay and safe during this lockdown. So don't forget to like this video and share, and also subscribe to my channel and comment what other lessons you want me to do. So in today's lesson, I'm going to explain to you guys what are chromosomes. Chromosomes are probably the most important topic in the whole of biology and DNA. It may not seem a big deal right now, but this stuff is going to come in really handy. I promise, so crack on and learn it. As I said, it's really important, so bring your notebook and I want you to listen carefully and write down the things that you think are really important and you think is that are going to help you in the future. It would be really helpful to copy all the notes because today's lesson doesn't have a lot of notes. So do it as you like and enjoy the lesson. Okay, guys, in order to understand everything that I'm going to explain in today's lesson, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to know these 3 points, which are the first one is know that chromosomes are found in the cell nucleus. The second one is know that the chromosomes are usually found in pairs in body cells. The last one is know that chromosomes are made of DNA and carry genes. These are the 3 important things that you want to learn. And also here on the side, I have like a little picture of chromosomes. So this is how chromosomes look like. You can draw a little sketch on your notebook and note that these are chromosomes and that's how they look like. So yeah, now we're going to learn about the cell nucleus. Basically, most cells in your body have a structure called a nucleus. The nucleus contains your genetic material. The genetic material are the instructions you need to grow and develop. This material is stored in the form of chromosomes. And also here on the side, I have a diagram to show that a cell nucleus contains chromosomes. So we have the chromosome on the side, the nucleus, and then here's the chromosome, a little chromosome. I think you should be able to know it. Yeah, it's labeled anyways. And also we have the gene. So have a look at it, and this is how a cell that contains chromosome looks like. Now you need to know that body cells normally have 2 copies of each chromosome, one from the organism's mother and one from the father. So humans have 2 copies of chromosome 1 and 2 copies of chromosome 2. So each one of us has 2 copies of our dad's chromosome and 2 copies of our mom's chromosomes. And each one is 23, so when we add them up, they're going to be 46. And here on the side, I have a diagram to show the 23 pairs of chromosomes from a female human body cell. So this is how they look like. I want you to have a look at them. It's really interesting, but yeah, I want you to have a look at it. And yes. Okay, guys, we're now going to learn about chromosomes and DNA. So basically, chromosomes are long lengths of a molecule called DNA. And the DNA is coiled up to form the arms of the chromosome. And here on the side, I have a diagram to show the DNA coils up to form a chromosome. So here we have the nucleus, the chromosome, and the cell. And in the middle, we have the coiled DNA molecule. This is how it looks like. And then we have the double helix. And then we have the backbone. And then at the top, we have the nucleotides. So I want you to pause this video and also have a look at the diagram. And don't forget to copy the definition as I said. And it would be really handy to highlight it. Now we've came out to the chromosomes and genes. Each chromosome carries a large number of genes. These are short sections of DNA. Genes control our characteristics. Different genes control the development of different characteristics. Example, the hair color and the eye color and the skin color and other things, etc. And on the side, as usual, I have a diagram that shows the relationship between the chromosomes, genes, and characteristics. So we have the parents, and then we have the gametes, which are 23 chromosomes each. And when you add them up, they're going to be 46. And then we have the zygote, which is fertilized egg, which contains 46 chromosomes, as I said. And at the end, we have the offspring. So most cells contain 46 chromosomes, and they are 23 pairs. The offspring is another word of a child, basically. You can copy the definition because it's really important. And if you want, you can have like a little sketch and note it on your notebook. Okay, guys, now we've came to the end of today's lesson. As usual, I have the recap questions. Today, I have 5 questions for you guys to try out, and all the answers are in today's video. The first question is, where in the cell chromosomes are found? This was really easy, like you should be able to know it. Also, the second one is, what molecule are chromosomes made up of? The third question is, what are genes? The fourth question is, what do we need different genes for? The last question is, which structure is found in most of our cells? These questions are like if you know the answers of all of them without like checking the video, um, you can be sure that you understood today's lesson. So I want you to try them out, and if you don't know the answer, you can always go back and check in the video. Also, if when you finish and found all the answers, you can always just go back and check the answers if they're right or wrong. So, as I said, we've came to the end of today's lesson. I don't want you to like today's lesson and comment what other lessons you want me to do. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone that doesn't know what chromosomes are and how they work. So take care and to enjoy your day.